Welcome to a masterclass in architectural tension. In the heart of Paris, $10 million no longer just buys history, it buys the seamless fusion of heritage and high-tech utility. We call it functional opulence. Imagine the soaring grandeur of a 19th-century salon colliding with the silent, invisible power of modern automation. This isn't just a home, it's a living bridge between the craftsmanship of the past and the logic of the future. Prepare to see Paris as you've never seen it before. We begin at the threshold of history. The facade is a breathtaking study in Haussmannian perfection, where hand-carved limestone and ornate wrought iron balconies whisper stories of the Belle Époque. Yet, as your eyes track to the right, the stone dissolves into a precision-engineered extension of matte black steel and floor-to-ceiling glass. It is a bold architectural statement that respects the streetscape while signaling a radical interior evolution. The contrast is immediate, deliberate, and undeniably expensive. Step into the great room, where the ceiling reaches toward the heavens at 12 feet. To your left, cascading crystal light from a vintage chandelier catches the gold leaf detailing of the crown moldings. To your right, the wall is a singular slab of charcoal slate featuring a glowing, haptic smart home interface that controls the environment with a touch. Herringbone floors in smoked oak tie these two worlds together, creating a space that feels both museum quiet and digitally alive. The master suite is a sanctuary defined by soft shadows and sharp lines. A massive velvet tufted headboard sits against intricate white wainscoting, evoking the luxury of a five-star palace hotel. However, a simple gesture activates the glass partition, revealing a walk-in wardrobe with automated, backlit shelving that feels like a high-end boutique. It is the pinnacle of rest, designed for those who value the weight of tradition but the ease of the modern world. This is the heart of functional opulence. At first glance, you see a majestic marble fireplace mantel, a classic Parisian staple. But look closer, the kitchen is hidden. Seamless cabinetry conceals professional-grade appliances, while the marble island features an integrated induction surface and a digital display etched into the stone. There are no handles, no clutter, only the pure efficiency of a chef's laboratory disguised as a grand dining hall. Ascending to the mezzanine, we find the bridge between floors. A traditional library, complete with a rolling brass ladder and leather-bound volumes, overlooks the modern lounge. The railing is a masterpiece of design, transitioning from ornate ironwork to frameless structural glass. It is a space for contemplation, where the acoustics are tuned for silence and the view offers a perfect cross-section of the home's dual-era aesthetic and architectural bravery. The primary bath reimagines the concept of the spa. A gold-plated, freestanding clawfoot tub serves as a sculptural centerpiece on a bed of classic mosaic tiles. Contrast this with the walk-in shower, a monolithic glass box featuring digital rainfall heads and a glowing marble feature wall. The technology is invisible until needed, ensuring that your morning routine is bathed in both 19th century charm and 21st century precision engineering. The entry courtyard is a masterclass in urban landscaping. Traditional limestone pillars provide a sense of security and weight, but they are flanked by laser-cut metal screens and avant-garde geometric sculptures. This space acts as a sensory airlock, stripping away the noise of Paris and replacing it with the sound of a minimalist water feature. It is a private buffer that proves high-end design starts long before you cross the front door's threshold. Perched above the zinc roofs of the city, the private terrace offers an unobstructed silhouette of the Eiffel Tower. The design here is strictly modern, a sleek outdoor kitchen, a linear fire pit, and a frameless glass perimeter that makes you feel as though you are floating over the 7th arrondissement. It is the ultimate venue for entertaining, where the historic skyline of Paris serves as the backdrop for a contemporary lifestyle of the highest order. The home office, or working room, is where the functional opulence truly shines. An antique mahogany desk, heavy with history, sits beneath a floating LED halo. While the walls are wrapped in traditional wood boiserie, they hide integrated 4K displays and soundproofing technology. It is a room designed for the modern titan, a space that looks like a 19th century study but functions with the speed of a Silicon Valley boardroom. The backyard is a hidden jewel, a vertical garden that rises against a classic limestone arch. In the center lies a black-bottomed lap pool, its surface perfectly still, reflecting the ornate carvings of the rear facade. It is a stark, beautiful contrast, the organic textures of the living wall against the rigid, cold elegance of the stone. This courtyard is a private lung for the house, providing fresh air and a sense of infinite, quiet luxury. Thank you for touring this $10 million expression of Parisian elegance. In this house, every molding tells a story, and every digital interface solves a problem. It is a rare equilibrium of then and now. If you value design that pushes boundaries while honoring roots, this is your blueprint. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the world's most exclusive architecture. Until next time, stay inspired.